So welcome to my channel Muhammad Adil. So this is my video part 2 from Earth about Earth. Now we are going to learn about how the Earth is formation and evolution. Scientists think Earth was formed at roughly the same time as the Sun and Earth planets, some like 4.6 billion years ago. When the solar system came from a giant rotating cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula. It is a type of gas. As the nebula collapsed because of its gravity, it spun faster and flattened into a disk, like small flattened. And most of the material was pulled out from the center to form the sun. Other particles within the disk collided and stuck together to form even larger bodies, including Earth. See, you can see this image, right? I'll show you one image. See, now colliding and making Earth's formation and evolution. Scientists think Earth started off as a waterless mass of rock. Radioactive materials, radioactive materials means like, for example, beta and alpha. These are all like decay materials, like no use of them, and they are like decay. How a tooth decay like that? It's like a decay in the rock, and increasing pressure deep within the earth generated enough heat to melt earth's interior. So radioactive means like, you can see this earth very like brownish color, and there is no even water. This is called waste. There is full of waste in our earth. That is called radioactive materials. Waste materials. Okay, we are continuing. Okay, causing some chemicals to rise to the surface and form water, while others become the gases of the atmosphere. Recent evidence suggests that Earth's crust and oceans may have formed with about 200 million years after the planet has taken shape. Yes. Earth's formation and evolution. The history of Earth is divided into four eons, starting within the earliest. Uh, these are the Hadean, Archean, and Protozoan, Proterozoic, and Phanerozoic. The first three eons, which together lasted nearly 4 billion years ago. I'll show you also image. Okay. Altogether known as the Precambrian. Evidence for the life has been found in the ocean about 3.8 billion years ago. But life did not come from abundant and become abundant until the Paleozoic. You can see, right? Cenozoic, when the new life came. Let's start from Cambrian. Earth from 4 billion years ago, and ancient life. These are like, this is called Paleozoic. You can see some materials like the physical materials like that. Then Mesozoic. In this there is middle life. Dinosaurs are there. Cretaceous, Jurassic, Triassic. So many are there. And there is a new life. Yes, yes. There is so many truck, car, and the last is our generation, having cars and all, and new things. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Earth formation and evolution. We studied, right? It's a big topic, but we'll learn more. The Paleozoic is divided into three eras. Starting with the earliest, these are the Paleozoic and Mesozoic and Cenozoic. The Paleozoic era saw the development of many kinds of animals and plants in the seas and on land. The Mesozoic era was the age of dinosaurs. The Cenozoic era we are in currently is the age of mammals. Can see that? This is when the 4.5 billion years ago. and Paleozoic. There are so many different animals, but in our Cenozoic, these animals are not existed. Yeah, and Mesozoic, these are like dinosaurs and all. Then Cenozoic, then like some people, very few are there in like Mesozoic in the center period, Cenozoic and Mesozoic. After that, so many people have become like very thin and small. This we call okay. Paleozoic era, Precambrian. This is the origin of life. First eukaryotes. This is a million years of ago. Okay. Then first vertebrates appear and origin of plants. Now vertebrates are like in our spinal cord there is like some lines over there, right? It is called vertebrates. And origin of plant, the plants came first jawed fish appear. This is the first fish appear, and amphibians also appear, and first seed plants appear, and reptiles and dominant land. This is the last one in our this. Now Mesozoic era, Triassic dinosaurs appear. Gymnosperms are the dominant plant, and flowering plants appear. And origin of primate, then only these humans appeared. You can see humans, right? Age of Earth evolution. Many scientists today believe that humans began to evolve 1.5 years ago. We were sent about 500 million years ago. Earth first the life forms appeared 3.5 billion years ago. Our planet is roughly like 460,000,000,000 years old. That's too much. Structure of the Earth's interior. The structure of Earth, also referred as cross section, it is divided into mainly four layers, namely crust, mantle, inner core, and outer core. You can see, right? This big ball you can see, right? This big ball you can see, right? This is called core, and this will called crust, that thing, and this will called mantle. And yeah, we will go to the lesson now. Crust, outermost layer of the earth, it is also the surface of earth. It is called crust. This comprises continents and oceans basins, and they were has been classified into continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust averages some 25 miles, 40 kilometers thick, although it can be thinner or thicker in some areas. Oceanic crust is usually only about 5 miles, 8 kilometers thick. Yeah, this is called oceanic crust. You can see, right? Oceanic crust. This is our land, okay? Volcano. Inside volcano, there's some magma and all. Yeah. Mantle. About 1,800 miles, 2,900 kilometers thick earth crust floats on a mantle. Much as wood floats on water, and then slow motion of rock in the mantle shuffles continents around and causes earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of mountain ranges. The division between the crust and the mantle is called Mohorovic discontinuity, or simply the moho. Means like it is between the crust and the mantle. Yeah. But you right? This is the crust and this is the mantle. The middle part. That's how much? Core. Core is very hottest thing in in this earth. Earth's core is about 4,400 miles and 7,100 kilometers wide. Outer core, hot and liquid layer, comprising mainly of nickel and iron. Yeah, so much hot and liquid, nickel and iron and liquid also. The transition phase between our core and mantle is called Gutenberg or discontinuity. Core. Inner core, mostly made of solid iron and has a little amounts of nickel. Believed to have extreme temperatures, the pressure conditions. You know, if you dug a hole inside the earth from starting point from here to here, you know you can. It's not possible, but if someone did, then it will go. You'll go up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down abandon you will go, and after some like 43 minutes or 1 hour, then you will get to the center and you will be stuck forever and you can't come out because the gravity is pulling you. That's why we have crust, so we can't be pulled over, but it will be lightly pulled, but we cannot stuck, we can go everywhere, and it will be not even hot. Okay, inner core mostly made of solid iron and has little amounts of nickel. Believed to have the extreme temperature and pressure. Yes, too much hot. The transition region between outer core and inner core is called Hammond discority. This is the inner middle part of inner core and outer core, the middle part. So this is the core. Now, so this is my part 3. Now, bye, thank you. So please subscribe and watch my videos, and give me a like, and give me in comments. Thank you. And next part 3 we will learn orbitable characters and orbitable rotation, motions of earth, and there is so much. You can see, right? So much of it. You learn. No problem. Thank you. See the part 3 without missing. Thank you.